Slurry pumps, engineering were systems for heavy industry. A slurry pump is not just a pump. In heavy industry, it is a wear system designed to move solids reliably through liquid flow. When slurry density increases and particles become more abrasive, pump engineering becomes the difference between stable throughput and constant downtime. What a slurry pump really does. A slurry pump is a heavy-duty centrifugal pump designed to transport liquid-solid mixtures. Unlike clear water pumps, it must operate reliably under high solids concentration, abrasive particle impact, and complex flow behavior. Typical environments include mineral processing plants, tailings transport systems, dredging operations, and coal handling. Engineering core. The core of slurry pump performance is wear management. Critical components include high-chrome alloy impellers, replaceable liners, and rubber or polyurethane wet ends. Effective designs balance hydraulics, metallurgy, sealing systems, and maintainability to sustain long operating cycles. Process reality. In slurry systems, wear is unavoidable. Engineering priorities include maintaining slurry velocity, minimizing particle impact angles inside the casing, and controlling cavitation risk in high-temperature slurries are essential. Enabling rapid replacement of wear components is key. In practice, serviceability is part of the pump's functional design. Industry structure. The slurry pump industry sits between upstream materials and downstream process industries. Upstream supply chains include alloy foundries, elastomer compounders, and advanced drive technologies. Downstream demand is driven by mining, mineral processing, metallurgy, and dredging operations. Competitive landscape. Leading global suppliers include KSB, Work Group, Fullsmith, and Metso. Despite recognizable leaders, the market remains highly specialized and fragmented. Final insight. In slurry transport systems, the pump is not a commodity machine. It is a critical reliability asset that directly affects throughput, maintenance cycles, and operating cost. The real competition is not only equipment supply, it is engineering wear life and life cycle performance.